Don't get me wrong, ne. I'm a big fan of iDisc nje yami. Yabona umnandi. Yangithola. Nale play ngifuna sikhulume ngalo namhlanje limnandi. Asikhulume ngiciniso machance awu Sipho Mbuli. Nandi like mnandi. Yabona kunalo umnandi. Okay, mayijima iba grand le. Yangithola. Kunalo umnandi of yo dog, you're gifted. This is talent. Yangithola. There's that. Umbule, it's yo bro, this is talent. You're gifted. Like umaqalusha ngamehlo ngisho nasemuva kwekhanda. Neskipha lesi mangene egroundini asigqokile ngisho maybe shana ngamehlo enambini ijezi nami. Yangithola. Because ubona yonke into mfethu is quick. I love how he can literally just see yonke into on the field. Yangithola. Mbule can see a player on the back, bro. Mara bhekele enyomgaya iDisc. Yangithola manje umacala oyinkinga one discipline nje siyazi for yini siyazi angifunda ukukhuluma because iba wanyachachana nami ngibona ngikaje ngilapho, you know. But when you're a professional player mfethu, you've reached a certain level, like you have to sacrifice, yabo. Angani mfethu we live ziyawe South Africa. But no, but being serious, on a serious note, understand leto le new, and it has your future, it has everything, yabo. And you're good, yabo into iningi, yabo na noma ngasigain this is name ukuthi imali asinkinga or in asinkinga, you know. Mbule is a nice player, bro. Like South Africa, I feel like Mbule, I would rate Mbule. I feel like Mbule could literally, even to a certain point, and performances, you know. That's how good Homeboy is. That's the reason why was Sundowns signed him. The reason is Sundowns signed him is because of you're good. So obviously I was some phone man. It's kukuna so slulekile and I won't lie because I chill. That's how good Mbule is. You'll gel anyway. You'll fit in, you can die. So there's rumors with the Kaizer Chiefs phone and I'm from Kulmamang. Makuye no macala, I would literally take Mbule. I would take Mbule against any player sign a match. Because one thing is struggle our middle field that you feel, you know. Because sometimes I want to Martu no tunga understand with Martu and Zan. Can I like young soul? Gabo, you understand it, God's young young soul. We all know, you know, slow shower, my injury and stuff like that, you know. But must not in the middle field. And a player like Mbule, so there's 20 engine, like a V8 straight. I'm sorry, I'm not going to spell. I'm player logo in Guamola, so born. I'm sorry. So I'm from Kulmamanga. From my point, I feel like medicine sign it like cousin and so on. I don't know, I'm jail with me because it's mixed emotions. Even on me, but I'm signer and just ngizame nje ukuthi ide mfethu in discipline, just work on the discipline kuMbuli mfethu because uMbuli uyambona noma bathi izolo ungena njani yakuthola but put him on the pitch uyabona na ukuthi aye vele bekanje izolo but you know, because he's gifted, he's talented yakuthola manje ishuvela unga-understand isho mfethu naye makasayeza kanje but I won't lie, mina udesign Mbuli yabo and just deal with the discipline ekhosini. I know ngicela ningitshele ukuthi nina would you sign Mbule kukhosi or cause Sundowns is same phone on the comment section ne, and ngicela mamusha press the subscribe lapho ngalibala ukulike. I'll see you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.